Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening Gudetama. Let's go open. Okay, let's open here. Okay. Now we get to so let's put this right here. There. Here. Who are we gonna get? Okay, we got a blind bag. Let's get the so let's go here. Okay, let's open this. Let's open the egg. Okay, let's see who we get. We got the angel. So here we got her little wings, we got her little arrow, and there's a little collector's sky. Let's see her name. Open the collector's sky and see who we got. Gudetama. So we got this one. Got Gudetama 27. So that's what we got. Gudetama 27. So we got Gudetama 27. Now I'll put her in her cute little egg and see how she looks like. Oh my god, this is so cute. So cute. Gudetama, so cute in her egg. So cute. Now let's open the next one. Let's open the second one now. Okay, let's open the egg. Here. Okay, open it and see who we get. Okay, so let's see who we get. Oh, we got this blind collector sky, and we got Gudetama 20. Now let's put her in her egg. So she looks like. Now let's put her in her egg. Little leg sticking out. Oh, her little leg. So this is how she looks like. So she looks so cute here. And her cute egg. So that's it for the video. Bye guys. See you in my next video. Bye.